Good morning, everyone. Well, the dogs. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. So there's Scooter, the real shaggy one. Elsa. Elsa. There's Elsa. Hi, Elsa. Taz. Taz. Taz is the one trying to climb up in the tree. Taz! Taz! Okay, so they're trying to climb up the tree because there's a squirrel way up there. And they love to chase squirrels. Hi, Bon Bon. Hi, Bon Bon. They love to chase squirrels. Pedophile alert. Pedophile alert. There's a pedophile. We're in the firm belief that you should kill your local pedophile. And that was one there. We just weren't ready for him. We'll get him next time. But yeah, the dogs are chasing a squirrel. They love to do it. And so far, in I don't know how many years, the squirrels always got away, I think, except for once, maybe. They got a squirrel once. There's the bike, Yanni. We are taking apart the yard sale and putting everything away for the winter. It was a beautiful day, but it was 4 degrees Celsius this morning when we woke up.
A little chilly.
But, oh, there's some nice weather coming yet. But
Oh, here comes Bon Bon.
the flags. And here comes the queen of the crew.
Bon Bon.
Bon Bon. You look a lot better when you don't have a face full of quills.
Yeah, Bonnie.
Huh? A poor Bon Bon. Oh, maybe the squirrel got away. Yay Scotland, yay Canada. As soon as we get rid of Fidel Castro's illegitimate son. Oh, no. Oh, there goes the squirrel into tree 4. Hey, Bon, what's everybody doing? Oh, Bon. Huh? What's everybody doing? I know, they're all crazy, eh? Oh, Bon, Bon.
They're up on your lap once. She's
Oh,
gonna
Bon,
continue.
Bon. Oh, she just wants love and... Oh. See? They all try to climb the tree at once, but yet none of them like when the others touch them with their paws. So when they all climb the tree at once, everybody's got their paws on everybody, and of course,
Mini
once in a
fight.
while there's a little upset, but
That was Blue and Scooter.
so I don't know, what fucking August 21st, Wednesday, approaching noon, I guess. Oh, there's Blue Jay. We've had bald eagles, no UFOs. It's kind of a cloudy day. But everything's going good at Triple Pine Acres. And we'll see you soon.